Hello student, today we will do question number 12 from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT Math Books class 12. So without further ado, let's get started. We have to find integration of this. So we can write this x cube one square minus x to the power 4 square. This dx. Now we will let this let x to the power 4 is equal to t. If we differentiate both sides, so this will be 4 x cube dx is equal to dt. So x cube dx is equal to 1 by 4 dt. Now we will put this here. So x cube dx is equal to 1 by 4 dt. 1 by 4 dt x cube dx divided by 1 square minus x to the power 4, we have supposed t, so t square. This is integration. 1 by 4 we will take out, 1 by 4, so this will be dt divided by 1 square minus t square. So for now we will integrate by using formula. This integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to sine inverse x by a. This is c. So using this formula we will integrate this. So we will get 1 by 4 this will be sine inverse x, in place of x, this here it is t, so t by 1 means and plus c. Now we will put value 1 by 4 sine inverse t value, we will put x as 4, x to the power 4, x to the power 4 plus c. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.